Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Inventive Tech, a channel dedicated to new gadgets and innovations. Traffic jams are becoming a common problem nowadays. That's why in this video, I'm going to share the 5 best foldable electric scooters to buy in 2019 to 2020. Each of these scooters has some special features which will blow your mind. So make sure you watch this video until the end, and I guarantee you will love this video. Let's get started. Number 5. Razor E Prime. The first thing to know about the Razor E Prime is that it isn't a high-powered electric scooter. It will get you where you need to go, but not with insane acceleration. Its top speed is approximately 15 miles per hour. The Razor scooter has a 36-volt battery. Razor does say the scooter has enough capacity for 30 to 40 minutes of riding. The aluminum scooter is fairly lightweight at around 21 pounds, 9.5 kilograms. The handlebars are adjustable for different rider heights. A battery indicator is also included near the folding mechanism, giving you 5 different levels of battery. The price of this electric scooter is $379. Number 4. Trax GXL electric scooter has a lot to offer in terms of speed and distance. In terms of braking systems, the GFX rear brake is a disc brake. It also has an electronic motor brake, which is controlled with a push throttle. In terms of speed and distance, it has a top speed of up to 15.5 miles per hour. The 36-volt lithium-ion battery provides a decent 12.5 miles per charge, and it has a recharge time of about 4 hours. There is an LED display on the scooter, which is nicely positioned in the top of the handlebar, and on it you can see just how fast you are going and how much juice you got left. The price of this scooter is $299. Number 3. Eon Scooter. In this list of best electric scooters, the Eon Scooter is the most affordable scooter. Eon Scooters have the perfect balance of weight, durability, and power for riders of all sizes. No matter what your age, riding style, or ability level, the Eon Scooter can be ridden by nearly anyone. With the electronic scooter adjustable speed setting and the backlit LCD display, you can go as slow or as fast as you want, up to 25 miles per hour. The Eon Scooter has 15Ah Tesla-style battery, and you can ride for over 35 miles on electric power alone. The scooter has a key lock for security, and it even features a lighted USB port so you can charge all your devices on the go. The price of this scooter is $399 for the Pro model. Number 2. 36-volt Mustang GX Pro. If you're searching for a powerful electric scooter, then you might be interested in the most affordable LTA-compliant electric scooter, 36-volt Mustang GX Pro, which builds upon their previous Mustang GX Pro design but now offers a 36-volt 500-watt geared motor. It provides you sufficient torque for the toughest of slopes and urban landscapes. 36-volt Mustang GX Pro, equipped with an 18Ah rechargeable battery, which offers you a range of up to 55 kilometers. Most importantly, the high-quality front and rear mechanism disc brakes, allowing you to stop with ease when necessary. The front and rear lights with brake sensor helps you to ride this scooter at nighttime with full visibility. The price of this scooter is $999. Number 1. Cycleboard. Cycleboard is the world's first stand-up electric vehicle with dual front wheels and a single rear wheel. It has 5 speeds with a stated top speed of 20 miles per hour. That's 32 kilometers an hour. The wheels of Cycleboard are made of custom aluminum along with inflatable shock-absorbing tires. When it comes to charging this vehicle, simply plug the charger into any standard outlet. The standard 2-amp charger will fully charge Cycleboard in just 3 to 5 hours. The upgraded 3-amp charger will recharge it in approximately 2 to 3 hours. For entertainment purposes, just connect your smartphone and enjoy music while riding this vehicle. The price of Cycleboard is $1,300. I hope you enjoyed this video as much as I do by making it. Let me know by commenting below which electric scooter you like the most. If you want to buy any of these scooters, then the links are in my description. That's all for today. If you like this video, then support us by sharing with your family and friends. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please do so. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching.